product features. Pioneer 1. Shielded single-stage self-priming structure. Pioneer 2. Polymer integrated injection pump structure can bear 300 meters of water pressure. At the same time, the sealing ring is added in the injection process to effectively solve the problem of water leakage. Pioneer 3. Inlet and outlet integrated seal design. Pioneer 4. Snapshot side panel. No screws visible outside. Feature 5. Car gauge grade appearance material. Anti-UV, no yellowing. Feature 6. Permanent magnet shielded frequency conversion motor. High efficiency and energy saving. Feature 7. Integrated frequency conversion controller. Super performance all the way ahead. Feature 8. Vehicle gauge pressure sensing. 1 failure rate per million. Feature 9. Temperature sensing direct contact fluid. Accurate warm and cold. Variable frequency constant pressure self-priming pump.